Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to send Hbar to Trezor, updated. Start by verifying your Trezor firmware and backing up your seed phrase. Next, install the official Hedera or compatible wallet app and connect your device securely. Create or select the Hbar account on the device, then use the wallet to generate the receiving address. Always confirm addresses on your Trezor screen before sending funds to avoid mistakes. Make sure your wallet app is the official or trusted version and that it recognizes Trezor devices. Open the wallet app, connect your Trezor via USB or supported method, and enter your PIN directly on the device. Navigate to the Hbar account within the wallet so the device can display the receiving address. Always compare the full address shown in the app with the address shown on your Trezor screen before proceeding. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides like this. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can really change how you think about money, and I found it both practical and calming for crypto investors. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab it if you want a thoughtful read. Now let's get back to the video. Initiate a send from your wallet by pasting or entering the recipient Hbar address, then review the amount and fee fields carefully. The wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction on your Trezor device. Read each line on the device display slowly. If anything looks off, cancel and re-verify addresses. Once you approve on the Trezor screen, the device signs the transaction and the wallet broadcasts it to the Hedera network securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.